Well, we were pretty new to the whole process, so yeah, I mean, we just did our due diligence on a couple of different builders, and Luke came very well recommended. But yeah, we really got a good vibe about him, so he rose to the top pretty quickly.
They're all such a great bunch of guys and lots of fun to hang around. It's, you know, it's not, nothing was a drama. Everyone was just, there was a lot of banter going on the whole time we were here.
I'm sure there were hiccups we didn't see, but
Yeah. No, that's alright. What have you done, mate?
the boys are good to go.
Oh. Yeah. Oops.
You know, Luke is very good at managing all that along the way, so it's been a very, very easy process.
Can't wait to have you in my face all day.
Oh yeah. The viewers want to know what's been happening with you.
What's that? Oh, well, I had COVID. That was fun. I'll tell you what, I don't miss you. Alright. You want to help, man? Or are you just going to fucking follow me all day? I'm a morning person, and the camera people aren't. They're a bit grumpy in the morning. Inside.
We up.
Hurry up. The master work. Ooh. Been practicing my camera skills. So how do you do it? You go like this. Record? See, you've been practicing. See, I was expecting like an actual cactus.
That is an actual cactus.
Yeah, I know, but like, you know the one you see in the movies and it's just like a...
No, but
around?
that's, I don't know what else.
It's not a real cactus.
Do you like tequila, Luke?
Tequila?
Yeah. If you don't, I've got the receipt, so
Don't
you
kill
can.
you.
So that you can.
You've gone all out.
I just want to say thank you because I've been very needy. So.
Yeah,
I've been a very needy client, so thank you.
No, you've been
You've made the process like way easier.
Okay, I appreciate that. You've been easy to work for, so don't stress. Trust me.
Alright. Cool. Alright, I'll catch you later.
That's it. I'll give this to the boys because they deserve it. Hello.
Alright, keep it. Sprint to the end of the year thing.
End of year party.
Walk around with
Don
it.
Julio's, mate.
You ready, mate? It's time to shine, brother.
What are you going?
Don't film me, man. No, don't do that. Alright, you've got enough of me, man. You just you go down.
The more you say that,
Nah.
the more. Okay, who's your favourite man, Kevin?
Then how about if I follow you around, Philip? How do you feel? I just follow you around like this. Huh?
That's Joshy.
He's a bit grumpy today.
Just cutting some, not much of anything, mate. Not been doing anything all day, but a cruisy afternoon. It's been going good.
Yeah.
Best time of the day, mate.
Can you hurry up?
Get out of here, mate.
You've had been driving around for the past 2 hours.
This guy's acting like...
And then he comes and has his lunch, driving around in his comfy car, and then he sits down for half an hour in the shade. What do you think this is? What'd you do this morning? Sand some plaster.
This guy's acting like he's done some work or something.
Sand some plaster and then he's tired.
Oh, someone wants to know to me. What can I get?
At luxury, we're
What
getting
can I
lunch
get
for
you
this.
for Christmas, man? I want a papa dump. What the fuck are you looking at, Ralph?
Get on, bro.
Eat it, kid.
Are you gonna finish tonight? How many fucking cameras I got on me? Mate, what works, you know? It's all about adapting. It's about adapting to the times. When you don't have a fork, you use a chisel. When you get locked down for 4 weeks, you work harder. It's about adapting.
And that's how we do it here at Luxury Bathrooms.
OTR is an Australian-owned
This is the cameraman.
Hello. How's it going? Come with me.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so I've got all the paperwork and everything ready to go. So I've got your copy here.
Tail on arrival, and he'll be staying in the King Superior.
And with someone else.
Natasha. Oh, yeah.
Shake hands. That's it. All done. That.
Excited? Keen for the new car, mate. Get it on Monday.
Thanks again, bye-bye.
Take care. All the
See you
best.
soon. Cheers.
See you guys.
Take care.
Look at the names. Have a look at that, mate.
Like you didn't put my second name, they wouldn't fit.
Yeah, I know.
Should have put the goat. Should have put a little goat
Little
emoji. I got it printed on myself.
Just arrived at the McLeod project. We're starting 2 bathrooms upstairs now. We've currently got the boys ripping it out. Once we've done upstairs, we're going to actually do downstairs. So we're going to redo the flooring in here. We're going to rip up the tiling, and we're going to redo this entire kitchen area. Once we've done that, we're also going to redo in here. Just redo this area. Just a little toilet area, powder room downstairs. We're going to redo the laundry as well. Then all the mess happening upstairs. Take you up to the boys.
Magic Monday. Woo!
Like a door, man, you know? A door that leads to nowhere. It's like my life, man.
Look at Screwboy, get some action shots.
This guy's great. Well, he knows the camera's
It's
out.
the new boots, mate. He's got the Timberlands, mate.
Wow.
Oh,
He needs a new shirt. I wanna-
Alright guys, we're just quickly wrapping up here. We just did a quick introduction and now we're gonna get the new car. Super excited. Let's fucking go.
Good morning, Brighton Motor Group, Louise speaking. How can I help you today?
Hey Louise, I wanted to speak to Chris from Mentone. Could you transfer me through, please?
Yes, sure, just a minute.
Thank you.
Please hold.
They can't be that busy. Fucking Chris, mate, what are you doing? Get me my car! Oh, yes. See, the thing is about most companies is they're just service at the start, but at Luxury, we're service till the end. I want my car! That's boss.
There you go, mate.
Thank you, sir.
Pleasure.
At the end of the day, I know it's just a car, but sometimes the hard work has to pay off. It's been a long couple of years for all the shit that we've gone through. So, yeah, I haven't really been that excited about it until today. So now it's stoked. Couldn't be happier.